should do a cold start video today.
Well, we can do the Honda Accord that everybody wants to see, and the redneck roller coaster, I guess.
Yeah, we're starting it soon.
Right now we're doing the cold shoveling video. It's minus 10 here right now in Canada.
We should call it Kids Try to Dig Out the Redneck Roller Coaster just so they can drive it.
Or Dave's Winter Slaves. See, I have a real bulldozer, but this is more fun. I'm too cheap to spend the diesel. If my slaves work really hard, at the end of the week, their beatings will be less severe. Okay, let's see if there's any mice. One of the traps is snapped. Wolf, you ready for the big event? We got a snowed-in redneck roller coaster motor.
And we got
two guys that went to a lot of work to, just a minute, to dig out all of this, just to go for a ride. Okay, fire her up. Oh, that's amazing! Oh, cool! First try! Look at all that snow! Absolutely amazing! The belt's slipping. There it goes. No, all cold engines rev high. So,
waiting to run.
Wait for the camera.
Hi.
Let me close the hood. Those kids must be insane. Fire. Well, you have to get moving first. Well, you're not moving very fast. It's just skidding the front wheels. Make sure the dog doesn't bite you. Get away, Wolf. I don't think so. Why don't you drive all the way up to the edge and wave at people? Drive up to the road and wave at your tourists.